Morgan Plus 4 CXT. Classic craftsmanship meets rugged off-road capability. The Morgan Plus 4 CXT redefines the iconic Morgan sports car by embracing an adventurous spirit tailored for off-road exploration. Developed in collaboration with Rally Raid UK, this rugged overland vehicle is extensively modified to conquer the most challenging terrains with confidence and style. Designed for extended journeys, the CXT features a robust rear equipment rack equipped with Pelican luggage cases, Zargas toolboxes, and Rotoax containers, offering ample, secure storage for all essentials. A comprehensive 5-piece underbody protection system. VHOP 22. HOP. Power, versatility, and innovation for off-road adventure. The VHOP 22 HOP is a rugged, foldable four-wheel drive ATV engineered for thrill seekers and outdoor explorers. With a commanding 6,000-watt motor and true four-wheel drive, it effortlessly tackles inclines of up to 45%. Techureon M1P Pro, redefining electric motorcycling with power, comfort, and innovation. The Techureon M1P Pro is the latest evolution in electric motorcycling, designed to deliver a powerful, smooth, and intelligent ride. With dual battery compatibility, it comes standard with a 60-volt GMC Hummer EV3X Omega Edition electric power meets off-road dominance. The GMC Hummer EV3X Omega Edition stands out with its exclusive Neptune Blue matte exterior, combining rugged style with advanced electric performance. Equipped with the Extreme Off-Road package and 18-inch gloss black beadlock-capable wheels, this electric super truck conquers the toughest terrains while turning heads. Inside, luxurious Hilux carpet flooring inserts add a refined touch to the spacious cabin. Cutting-edge technology features include Super Cruise for hands-free driving on compatible roads, one-pedal driving for seamless acceleration and braking, and Regen on Demand to maximize efficiency through regenerative braking. Powered by the Ultium battery system, the Hummer EV supports up to 350 kilowatt fast charging. Donkervoort D8 GTO JD70, the pinnacle of lightweight supersports engineering. The Donkervoort D8 GTO JD70 represents the epitome of 2G supersports cars, combining raw power, precision, and lightweight engineering into a thrilling driving machine. At its heart lies a potent 2.5-liter inline-5 turbocharged engine, delivering an impressive 415 brake horsepower and 384 pound-feet of torque, offering exhilarating acceleration and razor-sharp handling. Bugatti Baby 2, where heritage meets electric innovation. The Bugatti Baby 2 is a meticulously crafted tribute to the iconic Bugatti Type 35, celebrating the marque's storied legacy through a modern lens. Scaled to 75% of the original. Rezvani, Vengeance Military. Unmatched security meets ultimate luxury. The Rezvani Vengeance Military sets a new standard in armored vehicles, blending uncompromising security with refined luxury. Starting at $285,000, it offers a range of powerful engine options, including a standard 6.2-liter V8, a 3.0-liter turbo diesel, and a supercharged 6.2-liter V8, ensuring exceptional performance tailored to your needs. Inside, the spacious cabin accommodates up to 7 passengers, with ventilated and heated leather seats, and a panoramic sunroof that adds a touch of elegance. Designed for maximum protection, the Vengeance features bulletproof glass, body armor, and underside explosive protection, alongside military-grade defenses such as smoke screens, run-flat tires, and a thermal night vision system. Advanced technology enhances both security and convenience, with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and augmented reality navigation, complemented by practical features like a power liftgate and heads-up display. Ciego FS200, the ultimate electric cargo bike for urban mobility. The Ciego FS200 is a high-performance electric cargo bike that Techureon Tetra all-terrain power meets premium design. The Techureon Tetra is a high-performance electric scooter engineered for riders who demand power, range, and rugged versatility. Available in both dual-motor and quad-motor configurations, it caters to varying performance needs, offering either a balanced, budget-friendly option or an all-out BYD Yangwang U8. Unrivaled power, luxury, and innovation in a plug-in hybrid SUV. The BYD Yangwang U8 is a groundbreaking plug-in hybrid SUV that redefines what's possible in the world of off-road adventure and luxury mobility. With an astounding CLTC range of up to 1,000 kilometers, Automeritum Polaris Slingshot SL, bold design, thrilling performance, unmatched road presence. The Automeritum Polaris Slingshot SL is a head-turning, three-wheeled roadster that fuses motorcycle exhilaration with automotive comfort and control. Designed for those who crave distinction, it combines futuristic styling with an open-air driving experience like no other. Under the hood, the Slingshot is powered by a responsive ProStar 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, delivering 178 horsepower and 120 pound-feet of torque. Gordon GL1800 Side Trike, a masterpiece of power, design, and personalization. The Gordon GL1800 Side Trike is a hand-built, fully customized luxury trike that redefines three-wheeled performance and design. Powered by a robust Honda SE47E engine, it delivers an impressive 109 horsepower and 161 Newton-meters of torque, ensuring a thrilling and responsive ride. Built for both power and precision, it features the Gordon Multi-Link IRS suspension and custom rear-ventilated disc brakes, offering superior handling and braking performance. With a length of 2,950 millimeters and a width of 1,750 millimeters, the trike comfortably accommodates 2 passengers, while also providing a spacious trunk for practical storage on the go. Design-wise, the GL1800 is a visual standout, boasting 18-inch work wheels, bold Type 4 wide-body fender extensions, and a signature delta wing design. For those seeking a truly personal statement, DTV Shredder. The ultimate all-terrain crossover adventure machine. The DTV Shredder is a revolutionary crossover vehicle that seamlessly blends the ruggedness of a tank, the agility of a skateboard, and the thrill of a stand-up jet ski into one powerful all-terrain machine. Recently upgraded with an advanced electric BAC Mono, a pure expression of performance and precision. The BAC Mono is more than a car. It's a singular driving experience, born from uncompromising engineering and cutting-edge design. Crafted with a lightweight carbon fiber body and weighing just 580 kilograms, the Mono achieves an exceptional power-to-weight ratio of 525 brake horsepower per ton.